Open up.
Open up, boo-boo. Yum, yum. Ever good. Nice girl.
It's a weird texture, right? She's like, what is this? It's weird. It's not liquid.
That's not Mama's milk. It's thick. It feels weird, but I like it. Come on, give me more. Give me more.
Open up. Open up.
She's becoming a pro at it, just like everything else she does. Ever forget about you?
Look at her face.
I love you, my girl.
We'll do one more. Let's start baby step. You finished the whole bowl in the first feed.
Like she knows she's being filmed sometimes. She's always looking at me. Ever good, my girl. Nice baby girl. Having her first food. Did it taste good? Oh my goodness.
I don't think she likes it, to be honest.
She's eating it.
A little bit. Open up.
It tastes somewhat like milk because I put milk in there, not water, to make it more beneficial, you know? She keeps opening her mouth. It's forced anyways.
This is a weird texture, eh?
It's just growing accustomed to it now. Slowly eating every animal. Too much everything. You don't want no more, my girl? Oh, what's the matter? Wait, let me see it. Wait, see if she'll take another bite, babe. Put it back on. Maybe she wants more. Just see if she wants more. You want some more, baby? Open up. Baby, open up. There it comes. No. I guess
she got rid of most of that one, though. She actually ate that one.
Think she was crying for more?
No.
Okay.